man sitting in the bath.
During the time they lived in Uffington, Betjeman and Penelope were not the least standoffish. Betch did his bit for village life by becoming church warden at what he called the Cathedral of the Vale, St. Mary. Here he learnt and loved the very English art of bell ringing.
The peal of bells is the very soundtrack of Betjemanland. Indeed, when he was on Desert Island Discs, one of his choices was a record of English change ringing. It resonates and echoes throughout his work. And indeed, it is the inspiration for the poem he wrote about this place, Uffington. Tonight we feel the muffled peal hang on the village like a pall. It overwhelms the towering elms, that death-reminding dying fall. The very sky, no longer high, comes down within the reach of all, imprisoned in a cage of sound. Even the trivial seems profound.